Okay, hello. This is a video on how to use some basics on Canvas. So Canvas is a CMS. It's what I use as a school teacher. It's of course similar to Blackboard, but of course they all have their different features. And today I'm going to focus on just really two things. One would be just showing you the layout here of how things work and how you would add an image. And the second thing I just want to introduce you to is quizzes, which has some really interesting features for assessments. So you can see right here on this front page here, you have you and your pet, cute little dogs. But I'd like to add something here in between, talking about something a little different. So I'm going to go up here to Edit and look for an image. Here I can add a file if I wanted to. I could link to anything on the outside, but today what I'm going to do is look for images that I've placed in a file folder. And so I'm going to come down here to, let's do a picture of chloroplast here. So we'll just click here, and here it comes. Right here is our chloroplast, and we can reshape this. I can make it smaller if I wish. And now that image will be front and center. I can move it around if I want. But that's how you add an image, and you come down here to the bottom of the page and you can save that. I'm not going to do that at this time, but we'll go back to where it was. So, and these can be your front page, whatever you'd like to have your students see. Now again, this is a practice page I'm on right now, and I just call it the sandbox area. You can look down here at all the different places you can go to as far as different functions, anything from different modules to grades, discussion assignments, and whatnot. But I want to show you something interesting here about quizzes. So I've got a series of quizzes already set up here for different units. But if I want to add a new quiz, I can come over here and I can just name this Test Quiz. And I could give it a list of instructions down in this area right here. I could link a video here. I could just show the link if the students, they could go out and they could view a new section. I could of course add an image right here to show maybe here's what the quiz is about, and it would show a feature there. But as we go down here, I can do all kinds of things like tell them about how it's going to be graded, shuffle the answers, limit their time, and whatnot. So right now we're going to save this little part, and we're going to go back and we're going to edit our quiz by inserting some questions. So the really cool thing here is that I can go to any kind of question I want. I can do true, false, fill in the blanks, multiple drop downs, which I think is a really cool feature. So on each one of the questions I could have drop downs here, so I could show the possible correct answers as drop downs. So if I had several different choices for each section, I could do it that way. And of course it shows you the correct answer. I could put in that answer right there. Matching. The nice thing about the matching feature is I've got my left side section and my right side section, so I can make it all look quite interesting. I can update those questions as I want to go along. I can even go back and find a question that I've already created but I wasn't sure. So that's another really great feature for Canvas. So it's a little bit of work on the front side of doing this, making it all online. Of course, it's a little bit tough. You can't just copy an entire test that you've pre-made into Canvas, so that's a compromise you get on this particular platform. So I hope you've enjoyed viewing some of this information here, and that'll be all for now. Thank you.